Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is a quick overview of the new Google Calendar. So Google has decided to upgrade and change the look of their calendar, and it's going to look similar. The colors are going to be a little different, and this left side will look different. So I just kind of wanted to just do a quick overview. You have these three lines in the top left-hand corner that are going to have the menu to disappear and appear. You can't get rid of the small calendar in the top left-hand corner like you could in the old version. So you're stuck with that unless you want to get rid of the entire thing. You have your list of calendars here, just like you have seen in the old version. And we'll look at our options in a later video. Everything else up here looks pretty much the same. You've got your create event button in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll look at that later. But for the most part, it's going to look similar. Instead of having the text be in a certain color for an event, you're going to see here, like at this, for this Avid Excel webinar, there's just going to be a dot for the event instead of the words being in a different color. So you'll notice that change as well.